Now, unfortunately, we do not know exactly where the courthouse stood here at Guilford Courthouse, where the battle gets its name from. But here in this area, aside from the courthouse, there would have been a total of about 5 or 6 buildings. There would have been the courthouse itself, which was a small one-room cabin. There was a little tavern nearby. There was a jail, and then other miscellaneous buildings, because this was also farmland. Now, something interesting historically is where the American Third Line, there was a slight rise. So you can see a slight rise down there and a slight rise here. The Guilford Courthouse would have been a little bit behind, maybe about 30-40 yards behind the retreat road, which is believed that the retreat road was maybe 20 or 30 yards up in this direction, and it actually extends way out that way. So in theory, the Guilford Courthouse spot would have to be somewhere in this area. My prediction, actually, I would believe it would be somewhere here in the woods. Now, unfortunately, it's a little too populated of an area to do a spirit box session here, but if you'll look closely, you can see some irregularities in the terrain. As you can see, there is a slight slope up that goes here, and it does almost look like this would have been the spot where a building could have been, but you can also say the same for little areas such as this, especially since they have it cleared out. And unfortunately, we do not have an exact terrain map as to how it would have looked at the day of the battle, aside from a British engineer's map. So it is one of those historical mysteries that may go unsolved.